In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI to write better descriptions. Whether you're working on a task, a document, or an important project, having clear and polished descriptions can make a huge difference in how effectively your team communicates and collaborates. Fortunately, ClickUp AI is here to help streamline this process by enhancing your writing quality and clarity. Stick with me as I walk you through the steps to use this powerful tool and make your task descriptions stand out. First, start by logging into your ClickUp account and navigating to the specific task or document where you want to improve the description. Once you're in the right place, locate the description area of the task or doc. This is where all the magic will happen. Click inside the description field, and you can either begin typing a rough or incomplete version of your description, or you can select any text that's already there and could use some improvement. Now, let's bring in the real power of ClickUp AI in the description toolbar. You'll see a small AI icon. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with options. Choose Improve Writing if you want to refine the wording and enhance the flow, or select Rewrite for clarity to simplify the text and remove any unnecessary fluff. It's that simple, but the results can be transformative. Once the AI generates a suggestion, take a moment to carefully review the new version. This step is crucial to ensure the updated text still conveys the correct meaning, includes all necessary details, and uses the right terminology for your team or project. You're in control here, so don't skip this review process. When you're satisfied with the AI's suggestion, you have two options. You can either click Insert to add the new version below the original text, or you can click Replace to swap out the original description entirely with the AI-enhanced version. Choose whichever option makes the most sense for your workflow. Next, fine-tune the text manually if needed. This is your chance to adjust the tone, add any project-specific details like stakeholder names, or include important links. Even though ClickUp AI does a great job, only you know the full context of your project. Finally, don't forget to save the task or document once you're done. This will update the description, making it accessible and ready for your team to use. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a link in the description to sign up and start exploring its features, including ClickUp AI. And that's it. Using ClickUp AI to write better descriptions is a quick and effective way to improve your communication and keep your tasks clear and concise. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.